Hello everyone, I just want to welcome you back to another video. This is a little bit of everything. I've got a deep conditioner which I only keep in for 3 minutes. It's an Aussie deep conditioner. If there's various things that you would like me to show you specifically, please do let me know. This is day 2. This is day 2 now. Hopefully you enjoy the video. If there's anything else that you would like me to show though, if there's any other styles, just let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so to kick things off, I'm just showing my hair again, dehydrated. So just make sure when you're taking out your hairbands, if your hair is very dry, that you take your time. You don't want to be putting out your hair. Same with clips, okay? So just take your time as you take it out. I'll tell you this though, sometimes I really cannot tell the length of my hair. It's strange, and this is actually one of the reasons why I decided to make this video. So I'm just starting by spraying my hair with water all over, just so it's a little less dry, and when I add the conditioner it sits better, it doesn't just sit on dry hair. And it's here! Aussie 3-minute miracle. This one is the Pure Locks. It says full hair distressed by daily grind. I love the smell, and it makes your hair so manageable. For me, I just love to use it, whether it's 3 minutes or 20 minutes. I love to use it because it softens up my hair and it just makes it so much easier to handle. So I have washed out the deep conditioner, and I'm currently using a t-shirt to dry my hair just so it doesn't pull. I heard that it's a good tip, so just keep that in mind. I've been doing that for a couple of years now. Now I am parting my hair into manageable sections just so it's easy to handle when I'm combing through. To start, I'll be using the Cantu Shea Butter Grow Strong Strengthening Treatment. You don't need a lot here, obviously, it's just a treatment, so I will be adding other products. And then I'm going in with the Cantu leave-in conditioner, again another repair cream. I'm just using this at the moment. For one, I'm going to be using heat on my hair, and two, it's just one of those products that I always go back to. If you've seen my last video, you would know about this Tangle Teaser brush, and I can link it again down below for you. Okay, so just to reiterate, the part sizes are just so that I can manage to comb through without snagging, and so it's easier for me to blow dry, and I might make the parts smaller just so that I can straighten it easier. So my hairdryer is very simple, and I actually have two. It comes with various brushes, and it's obviously dependent on what style you're trying to go for. But I got this one from Amazon. I can link it down below, and basically I just use it to stretch my hair to make it easier for me to do things like twist and braid. Although I haven't done it for a while, I'm just going back into it now because I've decided to take a long break from heat. I know, another Portuguese product. I have been there a fair few times over the last few years, and I'm going to be using this one so it reduces the effects of humidity, because that used to be a big killer on my hair when I used to straighten it. A product that I use when I am going to use heat on my hair, or if I know I'm going to a hot country and I'm going to be in the sun for some time. It just lets me feel like I'm protecting my hair. Let me know if you do the same. I mean, I'm used to a country where I don't get much sun where I'm from in the UK, so I definitely like to make sure that my hair is protected when I'm in the heat. So my straighteners, these are also Remington, but unfortunately they're really old, so I'm not too sure if they're still available. I have set the straightener to the temperature of 230 degrees, which is actually the highest setting on here. But if there are any tools that you want me to try, just link it down below, send a little message. I might just put in a little trial and then show a video and review just how I found it, essentially. Okay, so just a little disclaimer, I did trim my ends. I did get a little bit of help trimming my ends. It won't be perfect because, you know, we are on lockdown, but we will do what we can. Now, length check, I'm very nervous. I haven't actually checked the length of my hair in a very long time. Now, I can't lie, it's difficult to say for sure, but a couple of us were kind of debating what length to say it's at. So just for the sake of the video, I'm going to say level 3, just so that in a couple of months' time when I go back to compare again, we can kind of see how far it's gone from there. Alright guys, well that's everything. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.